Devon. I'm out here in North Carolina, Clinton, North Carolina, at the race shop. Got another Viper motor. Couldn't pass up. There's some parts I was missing on my Viper motor, so I bought a whole Viper motor, whole another Viper motor, and got the transmission. So what we got here is a new Viper motor, and stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the video right now, or some pictures right now, and show you how I'm coming, man. The 73 Caprice Viper Donk is coming. It's coming right now. We got my transmission, automatic Viper transmission, T56, I believe. If I'm wrong, I will correct myself. And then we got my new Viper motor. So I'm keeping my motor. I'm just taking parts off of this motor and put on my motor. Like mine, I'm missing the fuel rail, the computer, the wiring harness, got all that. Flywheel. So we good. Then they got complete motors here. Rods. New crate motors. They go do a lot of drag racing here, so this is a race motor. And then they got some stock 350s. 400s. Got a little bit of everything. Then they got another shop next door. But I came here today to get this or pay on it. Hopefully I have a friend to give me a truck, come down here and pick it up. But picked up my receipt. This is the motor. That transmission is going in. I know I said I was gonna do a turbo 400, but I'm gonna go with the Viper motor since it's gonna be able, the Viper transmission, because I think it'll hold the power better than a turbo 400. Plus, I like to get on the highway. I don't need my RPMs up high. But everything's here. Everything is here. As you see, we are good to go.
Right next to buffoons that walk up and face you. Now you a hot air balloon. Go, rolls on truck, but my ones ain't tinted. Trap top shovel like.
Coming back by look at this. I see
a non-Viper.
Viper on the road. It's
Big
paint.
brakes.
It's paint. You know why it's paint? Because I see a Viper on the road. I see a Viper motor. No, I see a Viper.
That's how we coming. Non-Viper.
It's paint. Viper come. Viper come. Viper ain't gonna be responsible. Yeah, so there y'all have it. Got another Viper motor. Got a computer, wiring harness now. Now I gotta send it to Arkansas to auto wire to get all the security codes flash. Once all the security code flash, and the wire harness is remade, I'll be able to fire up the motor. So everything's coming shortly. Everything's coming quickly. What, a month and a half with the car now, and things are moving pretty good. Got the Armani 26-inch wheels ordered. Got my top order for the Vert. About to order my interior stuff so I can start stitching all my materials. And I'm gonna call this Donk the Kobe edition. So if you watch this video, you know my color: candy grape jelly, gold wheels, gold tier grill, plum top, so it's purple, and the guts is gonna be like a cream. So you got the recipe. Now if you know my color, I know you watched my video. What else we got going on? I mean, I'm excited to have 2 Viper modes, to be really honest. Like, it's a blessing to run across 2 people that show me great love on the price. So right now what I'm gonna do, the Viper motor I got right now is perfect. Really, there's nothing wrong but the lifters. So I'm gonna take the lifters that I got off the new motor and put with my old motor. Sorry, y'all, in the basement getting my dogs ready for bed. And basically take all the new stuff off the new motor, put it on the old motor that I do need, and that's basically it. The only thing I need to get now is an alternator and a power steering pulley and pump, so it connects to the factory one, to the 73 Caprice. So we gonna work with that. I'm trying to think what else. I said I was gonna do the 400 turbo transmission. I might not be in that with the new motor. I got an automatic Viper transmission, and I don't know if y'all know about the Viper transmission. Most of them are manual, and I like manual. I have no problem with it. But being that you're racing, I don't want to miss no gears racing, and it caused me a race and mess up the clutch. So that being said, it was cool that I found the automatic. Now the only ones that came with the automatic is the 4-door Viper trucks, and they didn't make that many 4-door Viper trucks. Most of them are 2-door, which means they come manual, and the car ones are automatically manual. It's no, I don't think there's no coupe Viper car that's an automatic. So that being said, I ran across some great deals, found all the stuff that I actually need, and we're gonna get the rocking on the build. So y'all stay tuned. I didn't get to pick up the motor and the transmission today, being that I didn't have a truck. However, I should have it down here next week in Virginia. I had to go to North Carolina and get it. That being said, we're gonna get the rocking and rolling. Car show is in June 27th. The goal is to have most of the car ready so I can have it at the track. And that's basically it. So please leave me your feedback, how y'all feel about the Viper Donk. I actually found out somebody else is building the Viper Donk. They've been anonymous. They went in my inbox and showed me, so they actually do got it in their car. So I'm one of 2 Viper Donks. I don't know if he got the kinks worked out, how to get it work. I got it all figured out. Me is just rocking and rolling and putting it in. So stay tuned to the build. Sorry about the noise in this video. Getting my kids ready for bed. And please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know y'all's questions and suggestions on the Viper Donk. I like to hear it while I'm at my building stage. And if you don't like it, get over it. Y'all stay tuned. Later.